Namaste. I am Dr. Sanjay Patil, Assistant Professor, Department of Political Science, Pankaj Arts and Science College, Chopra, District Jalgaon, Maharashtra. I am participant of short-term course Research Paper Writing organized from 7th December to 13 December 2020 by UGC, HRDC, University of Gujarat, Ahmedabad. Friends, in this short-term course, I have learned many things. That is, what is research, what is types of research. Also, in this short-term course, there are many resource persons. They taught us very nice and clear all the concept regarding to research paper writing. In this short-term course, I have really learned very new topics, that is steps of research process, how to write a research paper, then ethics of writing the research paper, एकेडमिक रिसर्च पेपर कैसा लिखना चाहिए ये भी हमने इस शॉर्ट टर्म कोर्स के दरमियान सीखा. Also, I have learned fundamentals of the research, positivism, that is approach for the research, how to write a research paper. In this topic, there are many subtopics are also we taught really and clear all the concept regarding this topic. That is research methodology, perspectives of research methodology, descriptive methods, observation method, questionnaire method, interview method, then experimental method, case study method. I also learn ICT tools regarding to research paper. Also, citation styles are also really useful for the research paper. In this short-term course, there are 1 hour daily Google Meet online lectures also there, and all the resource person in this short-term course, they taught us very bottom of their heart and clear all the concept regarding to this regarding to research paper writing. I really thankful to the coordinator UGC HRDC University of Gujarat Ahmedabad, Dr. Jagdish Joshi sir, Dr. Janki Jha ma'am, and all the resource persons in this short-term course. I thankful to them from bottom of my heart. I also thankful to the Pro Vice Chancellor, Honorable Vice Chancellor, and Pro Vice Chancellor, and all the team for this short-term course. Thank you.